Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to turn blurry video into clear HD quality. Whether it's a shaky phone clip, an old home video, or just something out of focus, avclabs Video Enhancer AI can upscale the video, reduce noise, and sharpen the details, all in just a few clicks. Let's dive in! First, download avclabs Video Enhancer AI. Once installed, open and upload your video. Then select presets such as upscale to 4K. You can see the output resolution here. Next, choose Ultra Model for better enhancement. You can also adjust the basic video setting here. Now let's preview it. You can see the result, way clearer, smoother, and sharper. Once you're happy with it, start the process. That's it. Pretty easy, right? You don't need pro editing skills or hours of work. If this helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more video tips and tutorials. Check the link in the description for the tool.